From the vast plains of North America to the rolling hills of Europe, a quiet revolution is taking place in the fields. It's a movement away from the chemical dependency of industrial agriculture, back towards a more harmonious relationship with nature. This is the world of organic farming, a world where ancient wisdom meets modern innovation to produce food in a way that nourishes both our bodies and our planet. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of organic farming and uncover 7 unique techniques that make it so special. In the intricate web of life, every creature plays a role. From the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, each has a specific function that contributes to the overall health of our ecosystems. This delicate balance is what keeps nature thriving and resilient. When one part of this web is disturbed, it can have cascading effects on the entire system. This is why understanding and respecting these relationships is crucial, especially in agriculture. Organic farmers understand this delicate balance and harness it to protect their crops. They recognize that every insect, plant, and animal has a role to play in maintaining the health of their fields. By fostering biodiversity, they create an environment where natural pest control can flourish. This approach not only reduces the need for chemical interventions, but also promotes a healthier ecosystem overall. Farmers become stewards of the land, working in harmony with nature rather than against it. Instead of resorting to synthetic pesticides, they invite nature's own pest control experts to the table. Beneficial insects, such as ladybugs and parasitic wasps, are introduced to the fields to combat harmful pests. This method, known as biological pest control, leverages the natural predatory relationships that exist in the wild. By doing so, farmers can effectively manage pest populations without the negative side effects associated with chemical pesticides. Ladybugs, with their insatiable appetite for aphids, patrol the fields like miniature warriors. These tiny beetles can consume hundreds of aphids in a single day, making them incredibly effective at keeping these common pests in check. By releasing ladybugs into their fields, farmers can ensure that aphid populations remain low, protecting their crops from damage. This natural method of pest control is not only effective but also sustainable, as it relies on the existing ecological relationships. Parasitic wasps, barely visible to the naked eye, lay their eggs on harmful caterpillars, effectively stopping them in their tracks. When the wasp larvae hatch, they feed on the caterpillar, preventing it from causing further damage to the crops. This method of pest control is highly specific, targeting only the harmful pests while leaving beneficial insects unharmed. By using parasitic wasps, farmers can maintain a balanced ecosystem in their fields. This natural ballet of predator and prey ensures that pests are kept in check while beneficial insects thrive and the environment remains free from harmful chemicals. By embracing biological pest control, farmers can create a more sustainable and resilient agricultural system. This approach not only protects their crops, but also supports the broader ecosystem, promoting biodiversity and environmental health. In the end, working with nature rather than against it proves to be the most effective and sustainable way to manage pests. For centuries, farmers have observed the intricate relationships between plants, learning which ones thrive together and which ones clash. Organic farming embraces this ancient wisdom in the form of companion planting. Imagine a field of vibrant tomatoes, their lush green foliage interspersed with the sunny yellow blooms of marigolds. These cheerful flowers are not just there for aesthetics. They release a compound into the soil that deters nematodes, tiny roundworms that can devastate tomato roots. This natural synergy between plants eliminates the need for synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, allowing nature to work its magic. Imagine a field after harvest, not left bare and exposed, but teeming with life as a carpet of clover or legumes takes root. This is the power of green manure, a technique that mimics nature's own cycle of renewal. These cover crops, with their deep roots, draw nutrients from the soil, while their leafy tops capture sunlight and convert it into valuable organic matter. When plowed back into the earth, they decompose, releasing a treasure trove of nutrients that nourish the next generation of crops. Chapter 4: Crop Rotation, a dance through the seasons. In the world of organic farming, monotony is the enemy. Instead of planting the same crop year after year, organic farmers embrace the rhythm of crop rotation. Like a carefully choreographed dance, different crops take their turn gracing the field, each one leaving behind a unique imprint on the soil. This practice disrupts the life cycle of pests and diseases, preventing them from gaining a foothold. It also helps to balance the nutrients in the soil, ensuring its long-term health and productivity. Chapter 5. The secret world beneath our feet, soil, microbial life. Beneath the surface of an organic farm, a hidden world teems with life. Millions of tiny organisms, bacteria, fungi, and earthworms work tirelessly to break down organic matter, releasing nutrients that plants need to thrive. Organic farming, with its avoidance of harmful chemicals and its emphasis on compost and cover crops, creates the perfect environment for these microbial communities to flourish. Chapter 6. A Life of Dignity, Organic Livestock Farming. In the world of organic farming, respect for animals is paramount. This philosophy is deeply rooted in the belief that animals, like humans, deserve to live a life of dignity and comfort. Organic livestock farming is not just a method of food production, it's a commitment to ethical treatment and sustainable practices. Instead of being confined to cramped and unsanitary conditions, livestock on organic farms are given the freedom to roam and graze on pasture, just as nature intended. This freedom allows animals to exhibit natural behaviors, which is essential for their well-being. For instance, cows can graze on a variety of grasses, while chickens can peck and scratch the ground, searching for insects and seeds. They breathe fresh air, bask in the sunshine, and socialize with their herd mates. This natural lifestyle reduces stress and promotes better health among the animals. The ability to move freely and engage in social interactions is crucial for their mental and physical health. Moreover, the exposure to sunlight helps in the synthesis of essential vitamins, contributing to their overall well-being. Their diet is free from antibiotics and growth hormones, consisting instead of nutritious organic feed. This feed is often grown without synthetic pesticides or fertilizers, ensuring that the animals consume the purest form of nutrition. The absence of chemicals in their diet not only benefits the animals, but also ensures that the products they produce are healthier for human consumption. This focus on animal welfare not only leads to healthier and happier animals, but also produces higher quality, more flavorful meat, eggs, and dairy products. Consumers can taste the difference in every bite, knowing that their food comes from a source that prioritizes ethical treatment and sustainability. By choosing organic livestock products, we support a system that values the well-being of animals and the health of our planet. Chapter 7. The Gold Standard Organic Certification. In a world saturated with labels and marketing claims, organic certification stands as a beacon of trust. From the stringent standards of the EU's organic certification to the rigorous requirements of the USDA organic label, organic farming is held to a higher standard. These certifications ensure that products bearing the organic seal have been produced without the use of synthetic pesticides, herbicides, or genetically modified organisms. They represent a commitment to transparency, sustainability, and the health of both consumers and the planet. Outro: A Sustainable Future. As we've journeyed through the world of organic farming, we've seen the dedication and passion that goes into every aspect of this sustainable practice. From the careful selection of seeds to the nurturing of plants without synthetic chemicals, organic farming is a labor of love that prioritizes the health of the environment and the well-being of consumers. We've witnessed the power of nature-based solutions to create a more sustainable and just food system. These solutions not only reduce the carbon footprint, but also enhance biodiversity, improve soil health, and ensure that future generations have access to nutritious food. From the tiniest soil microbes that play a crucial role in nutrient cycling and plant health, to the farmers who dedicate their lives to working in harmony with nature, every element of organic farming is interconnected. These farmers are not just growing crops, they are stewards of the land, ensuring that their farming practices contribute to the overall health of the ecosystem. Organic farming offers a vision of a future where food production nourishes both people and the planet. It is a holistic approach that considers the long-term impacts of farming practices on the environment, human health, and the economy. Organic farming is a testament to the harmony between humans and nature, showcasing how sustainable practices can lead to thriving ecosystems. By avoiding synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, organic farmers protect water quality, promote wildlife habitats, and reduce pollution. Offering solutions to modern agricultural challenges, organic farming addresses issues such as soil degradation, water scarcity, and climate change. Techniques like crop rotation, cover cropping, and composting are just a few examples of how organic farmers maintain soil fertility and resilience. Which of these organic techniques surprised you the most? Was it the innovative use of natural pest control methods, or perhaps the way farmers integrate livestock to enhance soil health? Let us know in the comments and share your thoughts on how organic farming can shape a sustainable future. Your insights and experiences are valuable to us and the community. And don't miss our upcoming Article 7 challenges. Organic farmers face and how they overcome them. This article will delve deeper into the obstacles organic farmers encounter and the innovative solutions they employ to overcome these challenges. Stay tuned for more inspiring stories and insights into the world of organic farming.